how to find expired games on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find expired games on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines here and go down until you find this settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, games. Click on it and then click expired, and as you see here you can review expired games. I don't have any expired games review, but you can find some expired games here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.